welcome back to another episode of the Winch Truck. So we've been waiting for a few parts lately, so haven't done a hell of a lot. I'm going to show you what I've been up to, and hopefully after you saw last episode of it starting, we're going to try and get it to drive now. So we've bled the brakes, bled the clutch, so now it's time to just see if she's going to move. So I've also finished the radiator off, so we've got the pipe work all up there. I'll show you. Oops. As you can see, we've got pipe work all nice and neat into the hoses. I will be extending the filler cap for the fuel out to about here somewhere, so you'll be able to sort of access it nice and neat. And that's all we've sort of done here. Done a lot more wiring. Got the whole dash all wired up there. All the gauges work. Yeah, sort of made a bit of a center console dash. Gonna probably put a few more switches down here. I'm gonna have another cover come up and cover the battery up. That's about it really in there. Sort of done. What else have we done? Finished the snorkel off into the intake. Got all the rest of the little sensors done. But yeah, sort of got to change this, which is for just the vacuum side of things. Got a catch can to put in, a sealed catch can, so the breathers all go to it, and then run a vacuum line to it, so it recirculates back in. That's all we've sort of done. Got to hook up the power steering stuff, which I will do today and show you. So I've got the power steering cooler in there. You can see she flows straight through the front. But yeah. Righto, we'll keep going and hopefully got myself a new camera. Should be nice and steady. New GoPro Hero 7 Black. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to try the time-lapse mode and we'll get into it. Cool. As you can see, we've got the power steering hooked up now, going down from the reservoir, which is a ZD30 reservoir. Coming off, I got a custom made line to go from the pump down and up to the, I'm pretty sure it's the high pressure one on the, what you want to call it, steering box, into the it's a transmission cooler. Or any oil cooler really, the power steering one, going back over. So we'll bleed this out and yeah, hopefully go for a drive. So we'll put oil in that, add water for the time being into the rad, try and bleed everything and maybe go for a rip down the paddock. We'll see. So if you see in this video if it going for a drive, well, you know it all worked. If not, well, stay tuned. Yeah. Ready? Gotta move the chair, eh? I think one of the cylinders must be gone.
Oh, master cylinder or something.
Yeah. I haven't got the wet oil anymore. I bet nothing like this.
First drive.
Wasn't a big one.
Where did the water go?
At the top on that side.
We'll call that a success. It didn't break down.
It stopped, it started, and it...
Moved.
Yeah. What up to the bit of wood? Gotta get all the water out of it so we can try and bung it up for now. And we'll see.
You can get that out.
Well, like